Hey guys, Christopher Fanboy here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a construction update of Orion. And yes, Lift Hill. Not a lot has changed since the last update. Because that's obviously because I did it on Wednesday, but it just looks a lot cooler in person. It's definitely taller. It looks like they're about to start adding the next piece of the lift hill, and they do have, it looks like the bottom of the drop over there somewhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it for Orion. But over here at the Firehawk trains, it looks like they're getting removed, but we don't know where they're gonna go to. Probably Nighthawk. Who knows? They could just scrap them. I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, not a whole lot has changed since the last one, but that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you all for watching, and bye.